In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send feedback in Google Chrome. If you've spotted a bug or have a suggestion to make Chrome better, there's a quick way to share it directly with the team that builds the browser, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening Chrome and looking to the top right corner of your browser window. Click the three dots to open the menu. From there, hover over Help, and then select the option labeled Report an Issue or Help Chrome Get Better. The wording may vary slightly depending on your version, but it's in the same place under Help. A feedback window will pop up. This is where you tell the Chrome team exactly what you're experiencing. Be as specific as you can. Describe what happened, what you expected to happen instead, and the steps that led to the issue. For example, mention the page you were on, the button you clicked, or the action you took right before the problem occurred. If there was an error message, include the exact text. Clear, detailed descriptions make it much easier for the team to understand and reproduce the problem, which speeds up a fix. If you're sharing a suggestion rather than a bug, explain the improvement you'd like to see and why it would help your browsing. You'll also see an option to include a screenshot of your current page. Screenshots are incredibly helpful for visual context, especially for layout glitches or display issues. If the preview looks good and you're comfortable sharing it, leave the box checked. If you'd rather not share what's on your screen, simply uncheck the box before you send. Take a quick moment to review what's visible in the screenshot so you're confident you're only sharing what's relevant. Once your description's clear and you've decided about the screenshot, click Send. Your feedback goes straight to the developers as part of Chrome's ongoing improvement process. You might not receive a personal reply, but your report is reviewed and aggregated with other feedback to help identify trends, prioritize fixes, and guide new features. That's all there is to it. By taking a minute to share your experience, you're directly helping improve Chrome for everyone. If you ever encounter another issue or think of a way the browser could work better for you, repeat these steps and submit your thoughts. Make your voice heard and help improve your browser. You're all set. Done.